Hello, Anne-Marie here with my monthly organizational video. I have decided to have an organizational video on the first Monday of the month because Lord knows I have enough perpetual mess in my scrapbooking area. Okay, so today I will be organizing my enamel dots and small rhinestones and pearls. I'm using this really nice divided bin where you can customize the compartment length, and I will talk about that closer to the end of the video. So in my organizational videos, I'm aiming to do some body doubling, and if you want more information on what that is, I've included a link in the description box below. But basically, it means I'll work on a project and you can pull out a project of your own and work alongside me. Maybe you want to organize your enamel dots even. This is something that has just helped me personally. When I'm lacking motivation to clean or something, I can look up like clean with me videos and it just helps me. I don't know. Or, I ask my kids to help out, and just having them working alongside me helps. So I'm hoping that this helps someone else too. I have my entire organizational process recorded, sped up, and set to music, and I might pop in occasionally if I want to explain something more in depth. And there are timestamps listed in the box below if you want to just jump to each of those sections. All right, so here we go. First, I pulled all the dots out, and then I'm cleaning out my container using a damp cloth. Got to evict the lint and the teeny tiny dust bunnies and cat hair that is snuck in there. And then I'm going to go through and dry it with a separate dry cloth. And I pulled out the little dividers as I went too, and I'm pretty sure I really did it so I could clean better, but I also want to adjust the divisions today because I'm going to break my colors down a little bit more than I have been. I think I'm going to go for 3 divisions per row, and I'm going to fill them with pink, red, orange, yellow, green, green, blue, blue, green, blue, purple, brown, black and gray, and then white, silver, clear. Pink and red used to be together, but I have a ton of pink, so I'm going to separate those. And then I really like turquoise, so I have a lot of that green, blue, blue, green, and I use it a lot, and I'm really picky about like what's more dominant on my project, blue or green, and matching it. So I'm going to try the setup for a while, and if I feel like the green, blue, blue, green is just silly, then I'm going to switch to a blue, blurple, and purple. So like a blue, blue, purple, purple divisions. But we'll see how this goes first. Okay, so now I'm putting each color back, and I am going to check the sheet of acetate that they're on and see if I need to trim it a little more closely, or like there might be raggedy edges because I'll have to snip apart the little things of rhinestones, and then it catches on other pieces and it just makes everything a mess. So I want to clean those up. I did find a couple sets of rhinestones that were just too gunky. The adhesive just stuck out all around them, and it had attracted every bit of dust and cat hair in my world. So I just had to let them go. It was too much work to clean them up to be worthwhile. And that adhesive, when it sticks out from the edge like that, it looks so weird on the project too, and like you basically have to cut it off, and that's really hard to do when these things are so teeny tiny. So and then there's always a few kind of wayward dots that I accidentally dropped into other spots, so I'll be putting those back as I go. And yeah, so I'll shut up for now and play some music, and I will be back in a bit. let me know below, when was the last time you organized your enamel dots and how do you do it? Like, how do you store yours? I've tried mine a few different ways. I used to have them with the original packaging, with the original collections, but then I started separating them out by color, and then I was using 4x6 um, iris photo containers, and then I found this and I haven't looked back. I've really loved separating them by color so I can see everything I have and find it really easily. And the thing I really like about this container, it doesn't like lock in across the top like, a bead container would, but it's still very snug across the top and the edge clips on. So the top doesn't come up on its own, and it doesn't allow the dots to spill and kind of migrate, on their own. So I really appreciate that about these, as well as being able to customize the division of the compartments. That's like huge for me. I love that because I use this style of container across a variety of embellishments, and it just makes it wonderful because they're all a little different, but I can change those divisions to accommodate all of them. So that container, it's an art bin divided container, and I found mine at a school supply store that was going out of business. So I got a great deal on them, like $5 each. But I found the same one on Amazon, and I've linked it below, as well as the bulk of my enamel dots that you see here, which are by Eyelet Outlet. The links in my description box are affiliate links, no additional cost to you. I might make a small commission. I have to hit my minimum, and I seriously doubt I'm going to, but we'll see. And it's also okay if you would rather follow the link, see what the product is, and then go to a separate page and make your own purchase without that affiliate relationship. Like, I get it. Some people aren't a fan of those, and that's perfectly fine. go. They look so pretty. I just love rainbow order just for everything in my life. All right, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, please consider clicking the thumbs up or leaving a comment below. I will see you next time, and I hope you have a scrappy, happy week. Bye.